In view of rising COVID cases in neighbouring Maharashtra, Karnataka government has issued new SOPs for travellers from the state. A negative RT-PCR certificate not older than 72 hours has been made mandatory for all the travellers from Maharashtra. Even short-term travellers between Maharashtra and Karnataka will have to produce a negative test. Also, while checking into hotels, resorts, hostels, travellers from Maharashtra will have to produce negative RT-PCR report. The detailed SOPs has been issued for students who are travelling to and from Maharashtra. List of such students will have to be maintained by competent authority, and students will have to produce RT-PCR report each time they return from Maharashtra. Nolan Pinto is now joining us for the latest. Now, Nolan, if you could walk our viewers through the tightened norms around COVID as far as travellers from Maharashtra are concerned, if you could just walk our viewers, so this is information that they can actually use if they are travelling.
Well, although to control the spread of COVID-19, we have seen what is happening in Maharashtra and also in Kerala with the numbers over there rising. The Karnataka government, the health department and the home ministry over here have taken certain rules and steps. That is, those people coming from Maharashtra and Kerala, be it through air or public transport, even trains, or even if they are coming in their own vehicles, will have to produce an RT-PCR test, not a rapid antigen test, but an RT-PCR test negative report, not less than 72 hours. Now, this is what we are told, that if they're boarding buses, that the conductors will check. If they're taking the trains, the TTs will check. And if they're coming in their own vehicles, they will be checked at the border. That is one. And also for international passengers coming to Karnataka, they will have to also produce an RT-PCR negative test report, not less than 72 hours. All right, we have also told this. So if you're just coming for less than 7 days, you produce your test report, negative test report, and you can go back. But if you're coming for more than 7 days, you will have to actually undergo a quarantine over here. On the 7th day, a test will be taken, and the quarantine has increased from 7 days to 14 days. So these are the new steps that the government is taking, keeping in mind that everything is open over here. Schools will open from Monday onwards. That is the 6th to 8th. Colleges, universities are already open. The Karnataka government does not want to have an increase in the number of cases over here, and that's the reason they've taken this decision.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.